To a new tutorial, and today I'm doing an update on how to make green thread, my most popular video with 1,879 views. Pretty sure it's that much. I haven't played this game in like 5 months, so one tutorial. This last time I wasn't as a pro at making videos as I am now. Anyway, I'm showing you how to make green thread, which is this stuff. What you need is jungle grass seeds, which are harvested in the jungle. You have a jungle farm, it would be very useful. You'd head to, this is a loom, I'm not sure what this is. Anyway, it's something. It's green thread. So, jungle grass seeds, which you can harvest, it's from this stuff. Oh my god, I can't play this game. Sorry, I haven't played this game in a very, very long time. I'm trying to make this short because last time it was 8 minutes long. How do you work? Okay. What you want to do, you want to find like regular stuff like that thing. And you harvest that, and sometimes it will give you jungle grass seeds, which you want to gather 9 of them in total. So I have 4 already. You want to get 9 to get 3 green thread, and you would need silk also to make hero's clothes, because this is what I'm wearing right here. I thought this was Minecraft. Where's my silk? Yeah, I have 137 silk, and I have 3 green threads. It's very convenient. And then you go head down to the loom, and you make 20 silk and 3 green thread to make hero's pants, and same thing with the shirt and hero's hat. So in total you would probably need 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 jungle grass seeds to make green thread, and you need 20 silk, which is made by cobwebs. Hope I helped you with this tutorial. I tried my best because, well, I'm not so good at this game anymore. See you people in the next tutorial, I guess. Bye.